How to manage Chrome autofill settings. Step 1. Open the Google Chrome browser on your Android device. Step 2. Tap the three dots at the top right corner and select Settings. Step 3. Under the Basic section, tap Autofill and Payments. You'll see three categories like payment methods, addresses, and passwords. Step 4. Tap Addresses and More to add, edit, or delete saved addresses and contact info. Tap the trash bin icon to delete or pencil icon to edit. Step 5. Tap Payment Methods to manage your saved cards. You can add a new card, remove old ones, or turn off autofill toggle. Step 6. For saved password, tap Passwords. You can view saved logins, remove outdated ones, or disable autofill passwords at the top. And that's it. You now have full control over what Chrome remembers. So, your browsing stays smooth, secure, and accurate.